we are going to be talking about combination of skincare products. As most of you know that we've switched to science-based skincare products, and it's the reason we've been stalling posting on this channel, but we are going to be posting quite a lot this year. We also have a new workspace which makes it even more easier for videos to be rolling out. If you're not ready to unlearn and relearn, please, this channel is not for you. But my girlies that are ready to learn how to make skincare products the proper way, please sit down and let's do this together. Have you ever seen some skincare girly? You see their face all glowy, shiny, beautiful and glittery. You'll be like, God, when? If people that they have dark spots on their face, when you see their face, you know that this one, no, this person is using good skincare product. What if I told you you can also achieve the same result, but it's all based on how you combine your skincare products, how you layer your skincare products on a daily basis. So it's not necessary you get fast touch products. I'm only creating a scenario of how you can get that beautiful, flawless glow. You need something that is non-stripping, barrier repairing, calming, soothing cleanser. Okay, so this cleanser is going to be like your base. You also need something that exfoliates. You can go for something with glycolic, BHA, depending on your skin concern. So you will now interchange them. This will be like your everyday cleanser, while the other ones will be like your once or twice in a week cleanser. So the first thing I said is hydrating cleanser. You can also add your exfoliating cleanser. So it all depends on you. You can also leave this depending on your skin condition. So you need this. So the second thing you need in your routine is your toner. If you get a very good toner, your skin is going to thank you for it. Okay, so you can make your toner something dewy, hydrating, calming, soothing, barrier repairing, depending on your skin condition again. But you need a toner. Okay, after your cleanser, you go in with your toner. Okay, after your toner, you go in with your favorite serums. Okay, for me, I like to use these two. I like to use Fast Touch Peptide Serum and Vitamin B3. This brightens while this soothes. As you are layering your product, you would already be seeing that glow little by little, depending on the product you're using. Okay, so once you layer these two, you just get one of it, anyone. You can layer your hydrating serum with your brightening serum. You know, once you layer this, you will see the glow on your face. It's already popping. You're already getting there, right? The next thing, and one of the most important step, is your choice of moisturizer. Now, take for example this particular facial moisturizer at Fast Touch that contains 3 major actives: ceramides, alpha arbutin, and niacinamide. So you know that this moisturizer is not only going to repair your skin barrier, it is going to brighten your skin, intensely moisturize your skin. So this is a gel moisturizer that is very good. So by the time you now layer this gel moisturizer on it, which is my own is soothing, calming and brightening moisturizer. Now what is going to now seal it and crown your efforts is the choice of your sunscreen. Okay, when you now had your sunscreen, if you follow these steps just the way, your skin is going to end up glowy and shining just like those pretty Instagram babes. It's that simple. And most of you used to think maybe they rub oil on their face. Not be oil, they did not put oil on their face though. They actually follow the step-by-step of skincare routine and seal it up with good moisturizer and good sunscreen. You can do other sunscreen. Okay, if you are confused on how to create a perfect skincare routine for yourself, the one that will be safe enough for your skin concern and skin condition, you can reach out to us. We can help you create perfect routine for yourself so that you can use them and you can see results. Okay, so other things you can add to this particular step by step are your treatments, and your treatments can be in serum form, or maybe for those of you that are actually using tretinoin or retinoid, any of the retinoid, you can actually add those, but you use them strictly at night. Okay, so I hope I've been able to answer somebody's question. We are back fully on this channel, like I said earlier. If you have any questions, please kindly drop them in the comment down below. If you have any products you want me to talk about, we're going to talk about them a lot. Like, just send a lot of questions my way. I'm right here. And we're also planning on doing training by mid of this year. So if you're interested, send us a message, come and register. We are taking registration for people that are interested in doing training, so that once the training, you know, price and the everything is out, if you want to learn how to formulate skincare product the right way, you need to reach out to us right now, okay? So that once we are ready, we can reach out to you guys, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you to you guys that joined on TikTok. My TikTok family motivated me to do this video. Literally, they dragged me, say, madam, enough of TikTok, come back to YouTube. I know you guys miss me, so I'm back now, okay?